Hokkaido is one of the most attractive regions in Japan, especially known for its winter charm, with powder snow being one of its main highlights. Powder snow is a light, fluffy type of snow that provides perfect conditions for skiing and snowboarding, making Hokkaido a dream destination for winter sports enthusiasts. Here's a more detailed introduction to the appeal of Hokkaido's powder snow. 1. What is powder snow? Powder snow refers to dry, fine snowflakes that are light and fluffy. The primary characteristic of this snow is its low moisture content, which makes it much lighter and drier compared to the snow found in other regions. The snowflakes are fine and airy, which makes them ideal for skiing and snowboarding. Why is Hokkaido's snow special? Dry cold air. The snow in Hokkaido is created by dry, cold air from Siberia. When this cold air crosses the Sea of Japan, it loses moisture, and the snow that falls is light and fluffy. Stable weather conditions. Areas like Niseko receive heavy snowfall year after year, making it one of the most consistent places to enjoy powder snow. This region offers an extended ski season, allowing visitors to enjoy ideal snow conditions for months. 2. Best places to experience powder snow. Hokkaido is vast and offers many regions with great snow conditions. Here are some of the top ski resorts that are famous for their powder snow. 1. Niseko features. Niseko is internationally renowned for its powder snow. Every year, the region receives a consistent amount of snow, making it a top destination for skiers and snowboarders. The area has several mountains, including Niseko, Annupuri and Grand Hirafu, which are famous for their excellent snow conditions and expansive slopes. Afterski activities. Niseko is also known for its hot springs, which are perfect for relaxing after a day on the slopes. The area also boasts excellent restaurants, offering fresh seafood and local delicacies. 2. Furuno features. Located in central Hokkaido, Furuno is known for its great conditions for beginners and intermediate skiers. The region also receives a significant amount of snow, offering powder snow conditions for a longer period. Furuno's natural beauty, with stunning mountain views, also adds to the experience. Afterski activities. Furuno hosts events like the Furuno Bie Snow Festival, featuring snow and ice sculptures illuminated in the winter night, giving visitors a chance to enjoy both the snow and the local culture. 3. Rusutsu features. Rusutsu is a relatively newer ski resort, but has quickly gained popularity due to its incredible snow quality and well-maintained slopes. With a large number of lifts and gondolas, Rusutsu offers diverse skiing and snowboarding experiences. Afterski activities. Rusutsu is surrounded by various hot springs, and visitors can enjoy snow viewing hot springs after a thrilling day on the slopes. 3. How to enjoy powder snow. 1. Skiing and snowboarding. The best way to enjoy Hokkaido's powder snow is, of course, by skiing or snowboarding. The snow's light texture makes it easier to glide down the slopes, and even beginners can enjoy skiing. For advanced skiers and snowboarders, powder snow allows for more freedom to perform tricks and skills. Backcountry skiing. Some areas in Hokkaido are ideal for backcountry skiing, where you can explore unmarked slopes and natural snow fields. Backcountry skiing offers an exhilarating and adventurous experience in deep powder snow. Family-friendly. Many resorts like Furuno and Rusutsu cater to beginners, with designated beginner slopes and ski schools, making it a great destination for families. 2. Snowshoe hiking. Snowshoe hiking is an excellent way to enjoy Hokkaido's snowy landscapes. If you're looking for a change of pace from skiing or snowboarding, hiking through the deep powder snow allows you to immerse yourself in nature and appreciate the scenic beauty of winter in Hokkaido. 3. Hot springs. Onsen. After a day of skiing or snowboarding, there's no better way to relax than soaking in a hot spring. Hokkaido has numerous hot springs, where you can unwind while enjoying views of snowy landscapes. The contrast of the cold air and warm water creates a unique and rejuvenating experience. 4. Best season to visit and experience powder snow. To fully enjoy the powder snow in Hokkaido, the best time to visit is from December to February. During this period, snow quality is at its peak, and the snow remains light and fluffy throughout the season. The months of January and February are particularly ideal because of the heavy snowfall and the stable snow conditions. Ski resorts in Hokkaido often accumulate several meters of snow during the season, ensuring a long-lasting snow experience. 5. Food and onsen culture. Hokkaido's winter season is also a delight for food lovers. The region is known for its fresh seafood and agricultural products, and in winter, you can enjoy warm dishes like hot pots, seafood rice bowls, and the famous crab. The local cuisine adds another layer of enjoyment to the winter experience. In addition, Hokkaido is famous for its hot springs onsen. After a long day in the snow, soaking in a hot spring while surrounded by snowy landscapes is one of the best ways to relax and recharge. Conclusion: Hokkaido's powder snow is world-renowned for its lightness and perfect conditions for winter sports. It's not just about skiing and snowboarding, though Hokkaido also offers incredible natural beauty, hot springs, and delicious food, making it the ideal destination for a winter getaway. Whether you're an experienced skier or someone who simply wants to enjoy the winter scenery, Hokkaido has something for everyone.